Dude, I'm still riding the high from that Super Bowl win last year. I can't wait for the season to start.
I know. Think we can win it again this year? Our team looks even stronger.
Absolutely. What other team even has a chance? Hey, did you see that Tom Brady is signing with the Tampa Bay Buccaneers? And Gronk is coming out of retirement to join him?
Really, man? Brady should have just retired.
Definitely. Do you think he'll ever have a shot at another Super Bowl ring?
With the Buccaneers? Yeah, right. Maybe when pigs fly.
The Tampa Bay Buccaneers have a second Super Bowl
Well,
title.
I guess pigs do fly.
Don't. It's too soon. How could this even happen?
It's official. Pigs can fly, and they can fly down your processing pipe, making them ideal for product recovery and pipeline cleaning. When utilized inside a product recovery system, the pig is launched at the start of the process line and moves towards the end. The pig acts as a squeegee and pushes the remaining product out of the line. The flexible wipers on the pig maintain a tight seal when passing through sanitary tube, fittings, full port valves, and standard radius elbows. Increase your product yields, decrease water and sewage treatment costs and cleaning agents, and decrease changeover time with the TrueClean Product Recovery Pig.